Hey everybody, it's Lindsay with Organize to Save. So are you sick and tired of the stress of laundry? Well, today I have some great tips and tricks as well as my laundry process to share with you. So let's check it out. So before we dive in, I just wanted to thank you for checking out today's video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Lindsay from Organize to Save, and on my channel I talk all about getting you organized to save your time, money, and space. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe below and hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video on Wednesdays. So laundry, it can be so overwhelming. There's always so much to do, especially if you have kids. Now, even us, just as a family of 3, I find that our laundry piles up so quickly. So today I want to talk you through a few steps that I do and a couple hacks to make your process a lot smoother. First thing is to think about where your laundry is collecting. When we moved into this house, I noticed that our laundry started piling up in front of the basin door because our laundry is downstairs. Just kept throwing dirty dish towels or dirty clothes at the top of the stairs, and they just started piling up so quickly, and I was like, okay, we need to resolve this. So what I did was I actually put in the hall tree that we created a separate bin just for laundry. Think about where laundry piles up in your house and then actually put a basket in that spot. All right, so the next step is in actually doing your laundry. So in the laundry room, when we moved in, we were fortunate enough to have some shelves in the laundry room. And for a while, we were just using it for storage, but I kept noticing that the laundry was piling up all over the floor, so I needed to create a system. So what we did was we actually cleared the shelves off, and I put all of our laundry baskets on the shelves so that I could have a sorting station. So what this is you just sort it by how you do your laundry. So for us, we do all of our whites together, our colors together, all of our towels together, and then I wash my Norwex products separately, and then all of our linens, so our sheets or blankets or things like that. So what I did was I created actual baskets, and when I am sorting the laundry, I just put them in each of the baskets, so that way it's so much easier to just go grab a basket and do the laundry. When it's done, go back, grab another one, instead of having to rifle through the big mound of clothes every time you want to do a load of laundry. So it saves you so much time, keeps it organized together, and if you have other people in the house doing laundry, they can easily pick up where you left off and just grab another basket off the shelves. If you're anything like us, we like to hang dry quite a few of our tops. What I figured out was a quick hack how we can hang our clothes in an efficient way. So what I do is I am transferring the clothes from the washer to the dryer. I actually have the dryer door open, and then anything that needs hung dry, I drape it over the dryer door. So that way, once I load it all up, I know that the things that are hanging over the dryer door are ready to be hung, and I literally just take my hangers, loop them through, and hang them up on our hanger bar that we have down in our laundry room. This way, just by laying them one on top of the other, I can just easily loop through the hangers, and we're on our way. It's so much quicker to do it this way, so try it out and let me know what you guys think in the comments below if this helps you hang your clothes much quicker. I don't know about you, but I absolutely hate to iron. Just the thought of pulling the ironing board down, waiting for the iron to heat up, just no thank you. So what I discovered a few years ago is to actually use my hair straightener to quickly iron clothes. Did you know that you could use a hair straightener to iron clothes? Let me know in the comments below. But it's so easy. I literally just take my straightener, smooth it over the shirt or pants or whatever you're ironing, just a few spots, and it works so great. So here you see that I've got this top. It had a nice crease in it, and so I just gently smoothed it over the top of the shirt, and it worked like a snap. Now, I will say that if you have an extremely wrinkled shirt, like really, really wrinkled, I still suggest using an iron. But this is great for those quick fixes where, a shirt like this, where if you need to iron down the collars or straighten out some of the seams, it is super easy to do. All right, so after you've actually washed all your clothes, the process that I like to do is to do sorting again. So it's just so much easier to work with your clothes or towels or what it is if you sort it out first. So for example, I like to sort all of my towels together, all of my clothes together, my husband's, my daughter's, etc. Sorting them out into piles, and then I tackle one pile at a time. So instead of, going from a shirt to a towel to my daughter's little socks, it's so much easier to stay focused and on track if you're sorting one type of clothing or item at a time. So I will sort all of my towels at a time and put them into a nice neat pile, so that way when I'm done folding everything, I can just grab that pile, put it in my laundry basket, and go put it away. Okay, so hanging clothes. So this is very similar to how I hang them to dry my clothes, but this is a great hack if you need to hang up a lot of clothes at one time. So what I've done the last several years is, instead of taking one piece at a time and looping it to hang it, what I do is, as I am folding my clothes, I will lay all of my shirts one on top of the other, with front of the shirt facing towards me, and then I just loop the hangers through, fold it down, loop the next one, fold it down, and so forth. So it makes it so much easier to just, once you've got it all sorted up, you can grab all the tops and hang them up. It really cuts down the time that it takes to hang all of your clothes. All right, so let's talk about folding your clothes. Now, after you have them sorted, I've got a few hacks for you as far as folding your clothes efficiently. So the first one I've talked about quite a bit on this channel, and that is to file fold your clothes. So what it is you actually, instead of folding the clothes one on top of each other, so you have to move all of the stuff on top of it to get to the one on the bottom, what you do is actually file fold them so they are side by side inside your bin. So file folding really makes it more efficient and helps you to find what you're looking for so much quicker. So I have a quick tip for you as far as folding sweatshirts effectively. This is something that I picked up at an old retail job that I used to work at in high school. But essentially all you need to do is lay your sweatshirt down, fold the sleeves over on top of each other, take the left side of your sweatshirt, fold it a third of the way in, take the other side of the sweatshirt, fold it the other way in. Then you're going to take the bottom of the sweatshirt and fold it in half towards the top of the sweatshirt. And then the hood should still be exposed, so you literally just take the hood, flip it around, and wrap it around the body of the sweatshirt. So it creates a nice little package for your sweatshirt. Okay, and then pajamas. Specifically, I'm talking about two-piece pajama sets. Now, this is something that I do for my daughter's pajamas. A quick way to fold the pajamas, the top and the bottom together, so that way you can find them really easily in your drawer. What you do is first take the shirt, fold it in half lengthwise, lay that down, and then take your pants and fold those up in half and then in half again. Lay them in the center of the shirt, and then just fold the shirt over the top of the pants, so that way the pants is kind of inserted into the shirt and it's folded together in a nice package. And again, I file fold those into the basket that we keep all of my daughter's pajamas. So that way at night, when she goes to pick out her pajamas, she can just easily go into the basket, grab one out, and she has a shirt and bottoms ready to go, all set together. Alright guys, so those are my laundry hacks for you. Let me know in the comments below if any of those are new to you. I'd love to know, and share any hacks that you might have in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other organizing tips and tricks, and we'll catch you guys next time.